A Russian passenger plane accidentally flew over downtown Beijing early Thursday morning. The Transaero plane, traveling from Beijing to Moscow, took the wrong road because the pilot made a mistake in direction. Many residents in downtown Beijing said they heard the huge noise of the plane, but no damage was reported.